You want to feel and be in a great emotional state, great physical state, and especially great mental state. Yes, guys, so in this video, we're talking about the BeOne focus group, the power of what it entails. Why is it called the focus group? Because we believe what you are focusing on within your life is the most important thing. Where your focus is going, where your energy is going, where your time is going, is starting to create your life as it is. So within the focus group, it's an opportunity to work on your self-development and work on your mindset with some of the tasks that we put in. But also all of the coaches that are involved within BeOne, from nutrition, from sleep, movement, walking and jogging, exercise, meditation, quieting the mind, yoga, again, mindset, self-development, breath work. All of these coaches and their expertise are within the group. So there's going to be monthly workshops by multiple coaches. There's also going to be the opportunity to ask any questions related to those areas. So it's really empowering group for you to get as much information as you can to help you be in the best mental and physical state you can be. And that's what all this is about, to have a clear and concise mindset, to make good choices about your life